Yo, what's up?
Okay, so now we are in Batu Belig area. So Batu Belig actually is just like after Seminyak and then before Canggu. We are in the area of Grand Bali Sunny Hotel. I don't know the hotel is closed or open.
The entrance to the Batu Belig, as you can see, has some bikes, and there in the background they are warungs, famous warungs, and here are the hotels now. I mean, this is the one of the hotel, and we will see because it's some market here. So
Okay, so this Sunday or weekend market. Quite many people here. Let's see.
yeah, so this is the area of the hotel, and that's how it looks. The market. We will see what's going on here. Sayang already looking for the new dress. And meanwhile, that's how it looks over here. That's like a weekend market, Sunday market, something like this, I think. See, Mrs. Monkey already looking for another dress. You gonna buy something?
I don't know.
Yes, yes. How are you, my friend? All good, yeah?
All good, all good.
Okay, that's good. So that's how it looks. Honey, where is your dress? Did you buy something today? No? Alright.
Okay, so let's have a bintang or coconut because I feel so thirsty.
And we will see. I will show you the area over here. So basically the market is over there and the hotel, and you can drive like this, and here is the big parking area. This area it's called Batu Belig. This is the Sayang, and so many around, so many warungs, any kind of warungs. And it's quite busy actually, I could say. It's not so bad at all. All the beach bars, famous and less famous. And in general, this small stroll is, if you're gonna go into this direction, will be the Potato Head and Seminyak, when we was actually last week. But this one is different part of the
Look at the
Seminyak.
mural arts.
All right, and the mural here, very nice. This warung is more famous, it's 707, and supposed to be busy inside, and I think, yeah, it is, but not so busy actually. It's quite loud here. Here is another warung. The sound is good. No, it's called Ilido. Batu Belig, the name of the village, as you see. Many expats also living in that area. And here is the, I think it's Italian cuisine, this warung. Also quiet, maybe not so busy, but it's also not so quiet. It's just the normal vibe. It's quite busy actually on the road, have to be careful how you walk around.
So one of the most iconic beach bar in Batu Belig area is Tropicola. So Tropicola has been closed for 1 year. Meanwhile, another beach club like Potato Head, Kudeta, Cafe Del Mar, or the surrounds open. So yeah, let's see how it is now inside.
Yeah, basically that's how it looks. The Tropicola is closed, like Winnie said already, for a long while.
Inside is the swimming pool with the, you know, the club bar
Yeah.
inside.
Yes, like that, but suddenly it's closed. But this area actually has changed quite a lot since the past years. Not so long ago, 3 years ago, was actually only one warung. Here now is so many, and even Tropicola, quite new place. But this beach is also quite famous for the surfing. Very nice waves today, and supposed to be a beautiful sunset also. We're gonna explore a little bit. Also, is some villa here, I think private villa, and many villas I think in this area, because this is like a little bit also residential area between Seminyak and Canggu. And here is another warung. As you see, quite many expats around. This is typically like a expertise area.
Okay, so this Batu Belig area actually is the cheaper version than Seminyak. You see as many beach warungs, restaurants. So yeah, this is how it is. Very nice, as you see many expats also here. Nice.
Yes, and another warung. This warung's actually like touristy one, but little bit like a local. Yo, what's up? Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, welcome to Bali. Just come yesterday. Anyway, yeah, let her cry. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali. I don't know. Now it's the trend to saying to everyone, welcome to Bali. So yeah, that's how it is. Always better laugh than cry, right? And here is also some beauty villa. Actually, like I said, many warungs and villas. And this is the end of the small street. Here is supposed to be another warung, but it's closed unfortunately. And over there, where it's facing my finger, is just the potato head and the hotels. What we was actually last week. Also over here, this is the W Seminyak or Alila. I always mix them, but I think it's W. And here is the guy selling the shawls. By the way, very beautiful shawls. Hello, how are you? Very nice, beautiful.
Okay, yes, please.
Yes, please. Alright, that's how it looks, the vibe here. I think, yo, what's up? Where is Cyan?
Okay, so that's behind me is W Hotel Seminyak. It's open, and the bar and the restaurant also open. And there is the Potato Head. I think that last time we were there when the first day it's opening. So now I think let's go to the beach warung over there, and let's have a bintang or a little coconut.
So basically that's how it looks live. Warungs, live music, people coming, they're gonna watching the sunset. It's still actually quite early. I mean about 45 minutes to sunset, but will be beautiful. But yeah, it's maybe not so busy, but it's also not so quiet. Check this out, this doggo, so cool. Very nice indeed. And will be the vibe sunset. That's how it looks, the life. We're gonna go somewhere there, yes honey? Yeah, we will go, we will see, that's how it is. Look at this boy and his huge kite. Look how long is it. And here is the guy with the rope. Check this out. That's how it look like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And the guy over there also pushing bikes on the beach. I don't know. Oh! I messed up. Sorry, yeah. Messed up. I think the boy was not happy as I messed up with his kite. I'm so sorry. Anyway, that's how it looks. We're gonna have some drink maybe. We will see. Honey, doesn't matter, up to you. Cyan have a coconut and I have a rattler as always. And beautiful sunset. Cheers, guys. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the vibes here.
Alright, so this is the vibe in Batu Belig Seminyak, and I bet that the tide here is much stronger than other part of Namian. There's no surfers actually.
Yeah, it's no surface. Actually, I don't know why, but the vibe is very cool. If you are thinking to having a drink or maybe some lunch or something, watching the sunset, it's pretty cool place. I think it's more peaceful than Canggu, so it's a good alternative to the Canggu. And also if you don't want to have I don't know, so much crowd in Seminyak, something like this. The way, check this out, this guy, he's walking with some sort of pet and record him walking. Interesting idea for YouTube channel. Check this out, this beautiful sunset and beautiful vibes. Yeah, comment below what do you think about the vibes here. I know it looks a little bit something like between Seminyak and Canggu, but little bit different. And yeah, comment below what do you think. I will show you a little bit of the vibes of the beach and the ocean. So much music. Every warung here have a music, and that's little bit the bad side of this place. I mean, it's cool, but quite difficult to talk and everything, especially if you're doing the video and the music is mixing between warung and warung. Anyway, the beach is so beautiful, even kids playing here, and it's so clean actually. Check this out. It's quite many people enjoying their time, especially on the weekend time, and it's also a lot of expats here. And probably you will ask, they are tourists or expats? I'm pretty sure as they are most likely expats. Like I said already with Winnie, so many villas around that area, and yeah, they are just living here. And this area, like 2, 3, 4 years ago, that was just a very local area. I mean, it was not so many warungs. How is it? How is it now? And meanwhile, that's how it looks. That's how it looks alive. Enjoy the little bit of the sunset and the waves, because yes, it's really beautiful. And yeah, somebody said, as at least you can watch every day, every evening, every night, sunset and ocean. And yeah, that's true. That's why what I have to appreciate, and I do appreciate that. I just wish a little bit more people watch our videos, because everything seems like it's going down, about 40% less interest. Well, I truly understand, but yeah, that's how it is. At least you can still, and I can still watch the sunset. Meanwhile, one more time, that's how it look like. That's how it look. And check this out, this sunset. Beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, so we are just heading home, and the beach getting busier. Yeah, I think that people, if they are tired of Canggu vibe, they are moving to the Batu Belig, flying kites. It's kite season nowadays. Yeah, but the road is bumpy.
It's okay, we have a gym, no problem if the road is bumpy.
Yeah. So this is the vibe. Nice.
Alright, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Very lazy day. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Take care.